Nomenclature of bridged polynuclear complexes. So how to name this? First, what is this? It is a cation complex. Whatever first given will be cation and this will be an anion. So this is cation. So the complex is a cationic complex. Then this is anion. So how to name this bridged complexes? For that, first you have to know the bridged ligands and these are the non-bridged ligands. First thing is you have to start from left to right. So left to right, first you have to number and name the ligand. So you have to take this first half portion. Number and name the ligand. What is that? How many it is? 4. Tetra. What is NH3? NH3 is amine. Listen, NH3 is amine. So the charge is 0. NH2 is, what is NH2? NH2 is amido. It is amide. It is a neutral ligand. It is a negative ligand. So it ends with O. The charge will be -1. And if it is NH, NH will be 2 minus. We call it as imido. And the charge is -2. So just to know the difference between this thing. This is what ligand? This is amido and NO2. NO2 is what? NO2 is nitro, which is having a negative charge. It is a negative ligand. So first you gave the number and name of the ligand. It is tetramine. Tetramine. The next thing is you have to name the central atom. What is the central atom? Name the central atom. The central atom is CO. That is cobalt. See, this is a cationic complex. You have to name as such cobalt, not cobaltate. If it is only an anionic complex, it should end with the suffix ate. So what is the central atom? It is cobalt. The next step is calculate the oxidation state. So finally, I will tell you to calculate the oxidation state. Next, the fourth step is name. So you have to add a hyphen and you have to add mu and an hyphen and name the bridged ligand. Name the bridged ligand starting from the top. That means what you have to do, this is hyphen mu hyphen. What is this ligand? NH2 is amido. This is amido. You have to name it as amido. Then what you have to do? Again a mu and a hyphen. And what is this ligand? It is nitro. So you named the bridged ligand. The next step is coming to this half. So in this half, what you have to do? You have to number and name the ligand. You have to number and name the ligand. What is the here? It is tetra. Again, it is tetra amine. The next step is name the central atom. Name central atom. What is the central atom present here? It is again cobalt. And it is a cationic complex. It should not end with 8. The next is calculate the oxidation state. And finally, what you have to do? You have to write the name of anion. So, name of anion as such. What is the name of the anion here? It is nitrate. You should not put tetranitrate. NO3, it is nitrate. This one, this prefix and suffix will not be used other than the complex. It is not tetranitrate, it is only nitrate. Now, how to calculate the oxidation state? We know NH3 is, what is NH3? NH3 is neutral ligand. So 4 into 0 plus cobalt, let us take it as X plus. NH2 is carrying charge -1 and NO2 is carrying charge -1. Okay. Then again this CO will be X plus this NH3 will be 0 plus what is this? NO3. So NO3 minus 4 into -1. Totally the whole complex charge is 0. Now this 4 0, this is also 0, x plus x will be 2x. And here you have -1, this is -2 and this is -4. Totally -6 is equal to 0. X will be 3. So what is the oxidation state here? 3 and this is also 3. Now writing the name of the complex. What is the name of the complex? This is, you have to start from here. This is tetra amine. So tetra amine. Next one comes cobalt 3. Next hyphen mu hyphen amido hyphen mu nitro tetramine cobalt 3 nitrate. So you should not give the space between this. This is one kind of naming. Again, if you see that here also you have tetramine cobalt same and here also tetramine cobalt is same. So in this case, what we can do? Another way of naming. This is also correct, but what we can do, another way of naming is, first you are naming this mu amido. You are naming the bridging ligand mu nitro. So you have two tetramine. That means bis tetramine cobalt 3 nitrate. So if you have two tetramine, same tetramine and cobalt are using 3 oxidation state plus 3 oxidation state, here also plus 3 oxidation state, you can use like this. That is naming the bridging ligand and bis tetramine cobalt 3 nitrate. This is also one kind of naming. Both are correct. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel for more videos.